Hey there fellow car nerds, welcome back to MG Guy Vintage Vehicles. Greg here with a new kit car vehicle video showcasing some of the hottest vehicles available for sale across North America this week. You'll find links in the video description below for each of these vehicles. Alright, enough talk, let's get on with today's kit car vehicles for sale. Alright, let's get started with this 1987 Ferrari F40 kit car, listed for $35,000 US in San Jose, California. It's been driven 80,000 miles and has an automatic transmission. From the seller's description, 1987 Fiero kit car, Ferrari F40 model, car runs good, 6-cylinder automatic, new engine, new brakes, electric windows, current California registration, past smog, needs AC recharge, new antenna for radio, has crack on the rear left wing. And up next we have this 1965 Kellison Sandpiper dune buggy, listed for $5,000 US in West Lynn, Oregon. It has a manual transmission, and from the seller's description, 1965 Kellison Sandpiper truck, up to 2,500 were built, less than 3,000 miles on it, 1,500 cc with a 4-speed manual transmission, starts right up, motor runs great, removable hardtop, sold with bill of sale and paperwork to get a title in your state, no rust. Okay, this Corvette has a body kit on it. Here we have a 1989 Chevrolet Corvette listed for $48,800 US in Cypress, California. It's been driven 30,216 miles and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description, 1989 Chevrolet Corvette, turbocharged RB25, G30-770 turbo, ZF transmission and Dana rear end, Bjork custom wide body kit. Alright, here we have a 1933 Factory 5 Ford, listed for $79,900 Canadian in Calgary, Alberta. It's been driven 3,400 kilometers and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description, 1933 hot rod, 4-corner Wildwood disc brakes, can be transformed into a Roadster by removing the roof and installing the Roadster windshield and roll bar, which come with the car, EFI 347 stroker, 415 horsepower, manual 5-speed Tremec, Hurst shifter. And here we have a 1930 Bugatti replica listed for $15,000 US in Plant City, Florida. It has a manual transmission and from the seller's description. Vintage Volkswagen Bugatti kit car, open to trades of vehicles, classic cars, or anything of equal value, 4-cylinder Volkswagen engine. Okay, another Factory 5 car. This one is a 1965 Factory 5 Ford Cobra replica, listed for $66,000 US in Fresno, California. It's been driven 21,004 miles, has a manual transmission, and from the seller's description, 1965 Factory 5 Cobra replica, fuel-injected 346 V8, very fun, very fast, drives beautiful, no trades. And up next we have this 1927 Track T Roadster, listed for $12,900 US in Brewston, Tennessee. It has a manual transmission and from the seller's description, 2.3 liter Pinto 4-cylinder, 4-speed, disc brakes, steel body, runs great.
Fred here with RedlineMuscleCars.com. My neighbor next door brought this little fiberglass street rod over. It is a 33 Willys replica. It has an LS1 motor in it with 4L60E transmission. It's push button shifter. It's gorgeous metallic blue with Kragers on it. 9-inch Ford rear end. Very, very cool car. We're going to flip the front end up on it and show it to you. It's nicely put together. It's got air conditioning. Nice. Inside and out. Really great running little car. Good street rod, tubular suspension. Factory 5 in front.
Okay, here we have a 1933 Willys fiberglass kit car listed for $39,900 US in Wilson, Oklahoma. It has an automatic transmission and from the seller's description, 33 Willys kit car, 9-inch rear end, flip front end, LS3 6.0 liter EFI 4160E transmission, push button shifter in the console, power windows, power steering, and air conditioning. Alright, here we have a 1952 MGTD listed for $7,000 US in Millen, Missouri. It's been driven 1,800 miles and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description, 1952 Volkswagen MGTD kit car, VW Beetle chassis, VW drivetrain, excellent condition, manual transmission, runs and drives great, clean title. And bringing up the rear, we have this 1968 Bradley GT, listed for $5,000 US in La Crosse, Wisconsin. It's been driven 4,500 miles, and from the seller's description, this one is short and sweet, rebuilt Bradley GT. Okay, so that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are enjoying my content, please consider becoming a channel member by clicking the join button below or using the link in the channel details below the video. For about the price of a cup of coffee per month, you'll not only be helping me produce these videos, but you'll have access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube, usually around 24 hours ahead of the videos going live. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.